Hi friends, welcome to my channel Super Saapadu. In this video, we are going to review 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven is very popular in Thailand and it's open for 24 hours. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's get started. This is the entrance of 7-Eleven. Here is the dining area. This is the medicine section. The ice cream section. This is the chips section. Especially you can get many Thai flavored chips here. This is the Pockies and some biscuits sections. There are so much biscuits and Pockies and waffles there. This is a nuts section. There are cashew nuts, any kinds of nuts. There are so many kinds of nuts. There are sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds here. This is the electronic products section where you can get earphones and chargers. There are men facial products here. This is the place where we can get powders, shampoos, soaps. Here we can get toothbrushes, toothpaste, and some face cream. This is the candies and chocolate sections. You can get candies, chocolates, gums. And this is the instant noodles section. And this is the basic cooking items such as soy sauce, ketchup, and coconut milk, and oil. The daily products, there such as milk, yogurt, protein shake. And here are the cakes like strawberry cake, chocolate cake, cheesecakes. The fruits such as orange. In this section, you can get soft drinks, energy drinks, and juice. These are the frozen foods such as like sandwiches and burger. This is the frozen food section which is ready to eat. This is a coffee maker and instant noodle maker section. Thanks for watching. There will be more videos to come. Please subscribe my channel.